Hi everybody and welcome back to Sustainable Self-Sufficiency. Today we are looking at how you can turn your hay into money. Yes, this isn't a Rumpelstiltskin type story. This is real life, and haymaking can be a lucrative business for a smallholder. So if you have the option to make small bale hay, this is extremely attractive to people who own horses and who own small amounts of sheep who are looking for small bale hay. Here in France, the going rate in 2024 is €6 a bale. I have been told reliably that in the UK at the moment, horse keepers are buying hay in at £7 a bale. So you can see that this is an attractive option. And if you don't sell any or you've still got a surplus left over, it's handy for your own animals. So get making hay. We can make 3 cuts a year and it's really lucrative. So there you go, another diversification idea.